It's IBC 2023. We're in Hall 7 and we're on the Anysonus booth again, where we've been doing, this is the second of two videos with Agatha again. Hello, Agatha.
Hello, Simon.
And we're joined by your colleague Kevin as well, who's the master of controls.
Yeah, he will show how to work the whole system.
Okay, so in the previous video, we were talking about your tracking solution, which is camera tracking for beginners.
Yeah.
Tell us what we're looking at here.
So for this part, we have the micro-based automatic shooting system. Using this system is ultra lightweight shooting system. So it has this is the core part. This is our concept is we just use one controller or console to control all of the devices here.
Okay.
And you can use a control panel to control the to set up the parameters of the cameras or control the movements of the camera, the movements of a sliding track, and the movements of the DJRS3 Pro. And you can also use our app for free to download your Android tablet and to control the movements of the devices here.
Cool. Okay.
And for the sliding track, just for demonstration here, it's 1.2 meters long length, but we also have the 2.4 meters and the 4.8 meters. And this is a straight track, and you can also customize with a circular track or the curved track. And you can even hang on it vertically or on your ceiling or on the wall. But because we use the app to control it, you don't need to go to the wall or the ceiling to manually operate. You just use the app to control it. And for all the devices, they will automatically turn on when the power supply comes over. So all things will be turned on. And for this part, but this system is specified for the Sony cameras and the DJRS3 Pro. But if you have other brands, camera brands, we can also customize with you, especially with the interface of LANC cameras. That is very suitable for our system.
Yeah. And can you control this remotely as well?
Yeah, we can use the apps.
Of course, yeah,
the apps. So, but if you are working in a small studio and all of the devices nearby, you just need just some cables to connect them.
Okay.
If you are in a large studio and the devices may be displayed in different positions, you can just use one optical fiber to connect them.
Cool.
Yeah.
Fantastic. And who do you see this being used by? What type of filmmakers will be using this?
Yeah, we just developed this system for the small size or medium size studio for virtual tagging or for product shooting.
Okay.
Yeah.
And is it new for IBC?
Yeah, this is the first time for us to come to IBC, and this is the brand new products for us.
Wow.
Come here.
Okay, fantastic. Yeah. And have you had lots of interest at the show?
Yeah. So today there are a lot of customers. They are very interested for us. We will keep in touch with them.
Yeah. And is it shipping now?
Yes,
it's
they're
available?
in stock. Yeah, in
fantastic.
stock. Yeah.
Fantastic. Where can people find out more information?
If you are in Amsterdam, just come to our booth, House 7, A48. But you can directly go to our website, www.anysonus.com, and or directly email us at info@anysonus.com.
Fantastic. Agatha, thank you very much. Thank you, Kevin. Fantastic controls. He's doing it backwards as well.
Yeah.
He's controlling it backwards. He's doing very well.
Yeah. You have a good job.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Do check out their website for more information. And of course, if you're in Amsterdam, do come to Hall 7 and see it for yourself. For everything else we're doing at the show, check out kitplus.com.